minis. We're gonna do our talents. Well, we can do our talents now. We can make shapes and sizes. Manges, penicillins everywhere. Okay. Regular happy face. Now let's do another one. It's kind of like a star. Now here is the dance. Ready to dance in a circle, everyone. Yeah, let's do it. Hello. Now we're gonna do our talents. Oh, let's play. Dun, dun, dun. Bye bye. We are glad you enjoyed the show. Well, it's kind of like a boring show, you mean? No, it's not boring. It's fun. Yes, it's fun. I just tricked you guys. So now, this is the end of the show. All the minis are happy now. They are glad to see you. But remember, thank you. And be sure to watch all the other Microbes and our movies. Bye.